Good morning, how are you all? I hope you're really well. Oh, that was a few octaves higher than normal. Oh dear me. I'm on a recording frenzy, I am. So, join me the other side of the intro and let's open a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. You ready? Hit it, maestro. Well, there you go. And you can't take the vanity out of the girl. So today we have got a Bibbidi unboxing, and I love getting these, and I've just recorded another video while I explain why I still get other people's mystery boxes when I do my own, and that's because I like getting magic, as we all get magic, and I'm having the time of my life curating my own mystery boxes. I am, and I did it in the last video, so I'll do it here. I'm going to link some videos for you, so go and watch those. So if you're wondering, well, what's this about mystery boxes and what's she doing and what have you, so it's a mystery box. We're based in the United Kingdom, so we've got different sort of shops and items that are within arm's reach to us, so I include those in my mystery boxes. And currently, as recording this, I have got 5 boxes that are available for purchase, and I have got the £49 Disney box, and in this there's 4 Disney items and 1 edible treat. And the reason there's an edible treat in there is because we're in the United Kingdom and we have got the nicest, smoothest, creamiest chocolate in the world. I sounded like an advert. Which was that? Dairy Milk advert? I think it was. No, it's a flake, isn't it? The smooth, flakiest chocolate. So, as we're renowned for our goodies, I can't say edibles anymore, can I? So, as we're renowned for our delicious treats, in every one of my mystery boxes, I always make sure there's a delicious treat, because that's what I'm about. So, yeah, so that's the £49 box. So, you've got 4 Disney items and a delicious treat. Then, I've got a £79 box, and in that you've got 6 Disney items and a delicious treat, and the 2 boxes are completely different, so because some ladies actually buy both. And yeah, so to start with, I think it was the first 1 or 2 boxes we had duplicate items, and I soon cottoned on that was no good. So everything is different in both boxes, but you just have more and maybe of a slightly higher value than your £49 box in your £79 box. But you've got 6 in there and 1 delicious treat. So those are my 2 Disney boxes for January, and they're currently on sale now. Then I have got my Harry Potter box. Now, we did this for December and it went so well, so we've done it again for January, and these are Harry Potter boxes and they're house specific. So you'll have some generic items, but you'll also have house specific ones. So you have to tell me your house as well. So yeah, bear in mind we've got like 9 3/4 on the Warner Brothers shop, as well as all my other shops that I use where I purchase my Harry Potter items from. So love that, I love that box. And then we've got 2 treat boxes, because you know it's December, and these I can post at any time. And these, I have a 2 kilogram and a 4 kilogram chocolate box, and they're £25 or £50, and the shipping, especially to America, is actually the same cost regardless of the size of the box. That's something very special with America. It's slightly different for everyone else, but yeah, so yeah, it falls into the same band for America, which is a bit crazy, but yeah, that's how that one works. So yeah, so those are the boxes I've got. I've got more boxes coming up. I'm so super excited. In February, borders open, we're going to do our first Disneyland Paris box. We are. And our Disneyland Paris pin box. We are. And those are actually up on the site because they were postponed from December, so we've got those going on. So yeah, so click on the videos up above, see my friends. I've got 6 amazing friends, and they've been opening boxes for me, and go and watch them and see what you think, and that'll give you a taste of what my my company's about and what my mystery box is about. So hope that helps everyone. But you've got to join to be able to purchase one currently, but that's going to change in the new year. You have to be a member of our Facebook group. So I'll put it down here, but in the description box down below there's a link that takes you straight there, and you just need to fill out the questions, and then myself or one of the admins will accept you into the group, and you'll be able to see all of these boxes for sale in the album section on the Facebook group. So hope that explains it and I hope that helps. But because I like getting magic as well, because if I curate a box for myself, I know what's in it, won't I? It's a bit like, you know, when you wrap up things for Christmas and you know, and yeah, so I love mystery boxes because it's like us getting birthdays, doesn't it? So I have it, and I love the girls' mystery box, and I'm friends with them as well, so that's amazing. So this box, it's got Halloween wrapping, so I'm not sure if it was October or November's box. I really don't know. But my last box I opened, I had Halloween ears, so maybe it's both. I don't know. It doesn't matter, does it? So let's open it and see what's inside. So that's what I've got inside there. So I think it might be November's because I think these wallets were new then. I could be wrong. So we've got packing slips, so yeah, I'm not going to look at that. And happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things, Walt Disney. So yeah, that's very true. And my box this time has been curated by Becky, and they're so lovely. And we got to meet up. When was it, girls? Was it August? I think it was August, July or August. It was when they'd just opened. Was it at the opening or just after the opening of Star Wars? I think it was. Right, so I have got cooking spoons. I have got small wooden spoons. Look at those. It's a shame to use them, isn't it? Because I don't know about you, but I don't cook a lot, truth be known. Maybe I should take it off my list of choices. But when I do a mean lasagna, and I do a mean spaghetti bolognese and a mean roasted. I can actually cook. I just, yeah, don't like doing it. But when you've used them, they go all orangey, don't they, even when you've washed them? So maybe I should use these for display. I don't know, but those are really nice because it's the 3 Caballeros. But I don't know, is this their own brand? No, Foothills Forge. I don't know if it is. But those are really lovely. Yeah, really good. It's a shame to use them, isn't it? So, I don't know. I'll decide if I'm going to use it or display. Ooh, there's little things and big things in here. So we've got a Tiki Room Wonderland Gallery card, and that's $5.99 because there's a price on the back of that one. So we got that. What else have we got? We got some Pixar pens, 6 Pixar pens for $18. Because there's a price on the back of those as well. So what is this big item in this box? Ooh, and I've got another one as well. Ooh. I need to get a magnifying glass. You know when you got one ready because you can't read something. What's that say? Oh, it's a magician. Oh, it's a baddie. It's a wizard. I don't know. Do you do this? Do you close your one eye when you're looking? Apparently I pull faces as well, so I'm going to zoom out of that. So it's a baddie with some sort of falcon, or I need to go back to the optician's. But it's a little key ring. So I got that as well. I got a bag. Oh, that's lovely. That's a little crossbody bag. A Daniel Nicole up bag. I love that. I love that. I do. I love that. And we're lucky we can get quite a lot of the Daniel Nicole and the Truffle Shuffle bags now. The Loungefly bags, I should say, from Truffle Shuffle. Daniel Nicole on the back in silver. So you've got a little pocket there. What would you put in there? Would you put in some dollars, or I don't know. This is a really nice little park bag, you know, a crossbody bag. So there you go. You've got your bag, and then you've got this long strap, and it's got Carl and everyone. It's like the colour of the sky on the one side, and then on the other side you've got Carl and Ellie on the strap there. Did I see some balloons? No, it's on the bag. But isn't that lovely? You know, like a little park bag. You know, when it's not your turn to have the rucksack in the park. And aren't those days nice? Isn't that? I really like that. And it's Daniel Nicole. And I think with Daniel Nicole, her things tend to sell out quicker. Have you noticed that? I've got a beautiful, absolutely beautiful, like makeup bag. Daniel Nicole Harry Potter makeup bag that I got. Was it last May? And I've not seen them since, and so her items are really collectible. I know Loungefly is, but her items I think are more elusive. Is that the word? I'm trying to use big words. I need a planner with big words, a big word a day. So then, an answer to my own question. I've got my packing label, my packing note here. So then, we know that the postcards are $5.99, it got a price on, and the pens were $17.99. So pens are quite expensive, aren't they? Especially Disney pens, so we know that. Then we've got in there the keychain for $9.99. The only thing is, why isn't initially in our house? Is it so? It's a bit of a strange one, that one. We've also got the laser engraved 3-piece utensil set, which are $34.99. So answering my own question, I'm not going to be cooking with them. I'll buy some for $2.99 to cook with. These I'm going to display. So I think that's when you've got something that's personalised like that, you need to display it, don't you? Because that's a lot of money to cook with. Would I have paid $35 for the utensil set? No, I wouldn't have paid that for them. And then this is the one that I'm shocked about, and that is the crossbody bag. With it being Daniel Nicole, it was only $68. Now I'd have thought that would be more money because her items are very elusive, aren't they? That word I love. So I'm quite shocked about that, and I love that, and I'll be using that around the park. So my favourite item is most definitely the bag out of the box, and that was my box. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget, go and check all the videos I've linked above, and I'll put a couple more at the end, so you can check out my mystery boxes and see what you think of those, and go and join my Facebook group, and you'll be able to see them. Every month they change, we do different ones, and being part of the United Kingdom, I've got so many different boxes planned for you, really different and not mainstream either, so I'm absolutely thrilled. So yeah, watch this space. And we've got a really special announcement coming in the new year. We're working on 2 major projects, and yeah, I can't wait to tell you and show you, and yeah, hope you love them. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for me, and click that notification bell. That way then you'll know when I've uploaded any other videos. And just be safe. Keep yourselves safe and well this Christmas time. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. You thought I'd forgot, didn't you? Never forget. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.